on your answers only, I have one more doubt. Can I question that?
Go ahead.
All right, sir, you said that Allah is going to test everybody and like that. But why Allah is doing that? I mean, why God or Allah is doing that? Why He created us and for His joy or for watching us from up there and
Very good question.
Why we all have been created?
Brother asked the question, why has He created us human being? Is He testing us? Is He enjoying using us like puppet? Very good question. That's answered in the Quran. All the other mountains, trees, they are Muslims, they have submitted their will to God. Human being is the best creation of Almighty God. The best creation, why? Because He has given us a free will. He has given human being a free will either to obey or disobey God. All the other creations, the animals, the birds, the trees, the mountains, they are Muslims. Muslims means they have submitted their will to God. Now Almighty God created a new creation which has a free will. The angels have got no free will. They always obey God. Now, after a free will has been given to you, you have a choice to obey or disobey God. After a free will has been given to you, and then if you obey God, you become higher than the angels. After a free will has been given to you, and then you disobey God, you become lower. You may become like a Satan. So it's mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Ahzab, chapter number 33, verse number 72, that Almighty God asks, who wants to undergo the test? If you don't want to undergo the test, just pass. So trees, mountain, all of them said, we fear to undergo the test. The Quran says, the human beings were fools who said, okay, we want to undergo the test. Now when you undergo the test, you can either become superior to the angel or you can become like a Satan. Now, if you don't undergo the test, just pass. So we human beings, all these human beings are the people who said, okay, fine, we don't want to just pass, we want to get good marks, and we are undergoing the test. This is a new creation of Almighty God. Not that you want to enjoy. He is giving you a chance to get distinction. We were fools who said, okay, fine. So not to enjoy, to give you a chance to get distinction, not just pass. Now it is on you and me whether we follow the commandment of Almighty God or not. If you do, you will get distinction. If you don't, you won't get. Hope that answers the question.